Hi everyone, welcome back to the Crypto Insider channel. Today, we're going to dive deep into the topic of building real wealth with cryptocurrency. The cryptocurrency market can be incredibly exciting with the potential for big profits, but it can also be incredibly volatile, and making a few $1,000s in a bull run doesn't qualify as real wealth. So, how can you build real sustainable wealth with cryptocurrency? Before we dive into the specifics of building real wealth with cryptocurrency, it's important to have a solid understanding of the cryptocurrency market. The cryptocurrency market is still in its early stages and is subject to wild swings in both directions. It's not uncommon to see coins experience massive gains one day, only to experience a major dip the next. This level of volatility can be both exciting and daunting, but it's important to remember that it's all part of the natural growth and development of the market. Now that we have a better understanding of the market, let's talk about the first key to building real wealth with cryptocurrency: diversification. When it comes to investing, it's always a good idea to spread your risk across multiple assets, and the same holds true for cryptocurrency. Don't put all your money into one coin, no matter how promising it may seem. Instead, invest in a mix of coins. I always say you should diversify your portfolio in comparison to your goals and risk tolerance. If you are a complete brokey and want to make a bunch of money fast, you probably think you should invest in low-cap coins, and to some degree you're correct. But the problem with that is that you most likely will lose all your money because 90% of projects are scams or go to zero. And if you were to get lucky and hit a home run, your inexperience with a bigger stack of money will make you go broke again next week. That's why it's much better to adopt patience and the correct skill sets to accumulate wealth. That way you'll be better equipped for when you receive it as well. But don't stop at just diversifying across coins. Consider diversifying across different stages of the investment cycle as well. For example, you can invest in both established coins with a proven track record, as well as up-and-coming coins with high potential for growth. But don't fall for the fast money, get-rich-quick shit coins. They'll make you go broke faster than a gambler on a winning streak, guys. All right, so listen. The third key to building real wealth with cryptocurrency is timing. When it comes to investing in cryptocurrency, timing is everything. This means it's important to pay close attention to the market and be ready to take advantage of opportunities when they present themselves, meaning buying and not selling in a bear market. But timing isn't just about jumping onto the latest hot coin. It's also about knowing when to take profits and when to hold on to your investments for the long term. No one has ever gone broke from taking profits. You should never be scared to take profits. For example, if you were to trade crypto on the daily chart, your number one reason for being a losing trader is most likely because you're greedy. You want to make more when you're already in profits. Big mistake. The fourth key to building real wealth with cryptocurrency is a long-term investment strategy. It's important to remember that most people who get into cryptocurrency are looking to get rich quick. But the truth is, while it is possible to get rich quick with cryptocurrency, it most likely won't happen overnight. Building real wealth with cryptocurrency requires consistency over the span of a few years, not just a few weeks. And this is most likely not what you want to hear, but it's a simple truth that few will tell you, especially on YouTube. I see all the big YouTubers talking about how we're in a bull market and everything being bullish, which is simply not the case. But it's very beneficial for them to say so because then they get you to use their affiliate links to do trading and make huge profits from your losses. It can be tempting to sell your coins when the market takes a dip, but this approach rarely leads to real wealth. Instead, consider buying and holding onto your coins for the long term and only selling when you've reached your financial goals. The fifth key to building real wealth with cryptocurrency is education. Cryptocurrency can be a complex and confusing topic, but the more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed investment decisions. Make sure to do your research, read industry news and analysis, and educate yourself on the technology behind each coin you're considering investing in. You should really try to understand what you're buying. And speaking of education, one strategy that can help you build real wealth with cryptocurrency is investing in ICOs, or initial coin offerings. I'll make another more in-depth video about this later because this is a full video on its own, but it basically means investing in coins before they're released to the public. So there you have it, folks. The keys to building real wealth with cryptocurrency: diversification, timing, long-term investment, education, and ICOs. Remember, the cryptocurrency market is still in its early stages, and building real wealth with it requires patience, consistency, and a solid understanding of the market. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more content like this. See you in the next video.